Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Hyundai Elantra, and that will be the generation from 2011 to 2016. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove and replace low beam headlight bulb. This is the high beam right here, this is low beam. Stay with us, guys, we'll show you how to do that now. We will open the hood, and as I said, we'll be working on the left side, the left headlight, because you don't have as much room. The right one, most of the things, okay, you can reach them without removing the headlight, but in this case we'll have to remove the headlight. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So with the 12mm socket, we're going to remove that bolt right there. Two more bolts with 10mm socket. First one was 12, these ones are 10. Next, we'll need to remove 3 clips on the bumper, so we don't damage the bumper. I've seen people scratching their bumper because they're too lazy to remove 3 clips. So here, you need to unscrew the middle piece out, okay? Hold the outside, help it with a little bitty screwdriver if you need to here, because sometimes they'll get stuck. Okay, like that, and now start unscrewing. Okay, perfect. Now you can just unscrew it. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, let me show you how it works. You see it like that. We have... Okay, I'm trying to focus because of the sunlight. One more here. And one more over there. Okay. This one came out as well. Now, you grab the headlight. The first thing that you do, okay, you need to pull towards the front. Okay, this end goes towards the front. Okay, a little bit. You hear coming out of the clips. Now you need to grab the bumper and pull a little bit towards the front. Okay, and then the headlight needs to go up, straight up. Careful not to scratch your bumper there. Now we need to disconnect the wires. You pull down and you push them out. Okay. And the headlight came out. So the low beam bulb is the one right here in the big circle. And you access it from this cap right here. Okay, you turn it counterclockwise. Okay, and you can go ahead and disconnect it like that. Now we need to pull all the wires to the side. Okay, and we need to pull the bulb out. But before we need to disconnect the wires, probably will be easier. You press on the outsides right here. Okay, and you pull the wire out. Okay, like that. Next, you turn the bulb counterclockwise about 30 degrees and you pull it out. And this is the bulb, okay, right here, H11LL bulb. That's what we have on our 2013 Elantra. So you grab the new bulb, okay, you have to go in the slots. Okay, let me turn the light on, 1 second, so you can see a little bit better. It goes only one way. And then you lock it in place by turning clockwise. Next, you need to install the wire. You just push in until it clicks. Okay, like that. Install the cap, and next, after that, we'll have to put the headlight together on the car. Just in reverse order, we took it apart. So now you have the 2 clips here, one there. You can see they go, one is here, one is over there. So first we need to go there. Okay, one person can be pulling the bumper a little bit. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the sunshine, sorry about that. Okay, and here very careful not to damage your bumper. Okay, so we got in. Now, okay, we need to go towards the back. Okay. Okay, it's not in all the way on this side. Okay, you went in. Now we have to connect our wire. Push in until it clicks. Next we need to install the 3 bolts that we have there. One is with 12mm socket and two are with 10mm. Okay, get those tight, and next we need to install the clips. Okay, let me show you how you do that. You push the middle piece in first. Okay, let me focus quick because it's quite a bit of sunshine here. Okay, middle piece in, and then the outside piece you can just push it in like that. You do the same for the rest of them. Okay, and the one over there. I've seen people not removing those, but you want to be able to pull the bumper just a little bit in the corner here so you don't damage it. Next, okay, if they don't go in, you can just screw them with a screwdriver. Okay, like that. And all we got left is to get the 3 bolts tight now. Just careful not to over tighten them. So that's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need to see anything else, let us know. We'll be taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.